Hey y'all, hey, story time, okay? So I was sitting at my desk, minding my own business, and then something just downloaded into my head where it says, math is patterns summarized into expressions. And I was like, what? Because I was thinking, like, some people who are good at math, like, it's not as big as a flex as you think it is. It's literally pattern recognition. And then I started thinking about, okay, back in the day, I don't know if y'all remember on the page where it says 2, 4, 6, 8, and then it says they have a blank, and then 12, and it says continue this pattern. And for the longest, I'd never understood that. I thought they were just easy answers for me to get, and I didn't understand it. Now I understand that patterns, math symbolizes the patterns that we see every day. And that's why people can create equations. They're not creating them from the thin air. They're literally saying that these patterns, if we assume that these patterns, or whatever the case may be, exist on this whatever, that's how we end up with the answer that we get. So when people say they make equations, you literally make equations every time that you think about how, if you're working on an assembly line or something where it's every 4 is good, take the other one back, that's bad, one back. The patterns that we do literally every day. And then also when I was taking music theory in college, I never taken music at all. I never played. I sing, but I never sang it according to the actual music. Well, once I realized that the circle of fifths was literally a pattern, and that I can know which note that I could be, or scale that I am on, because of a pattern that it makes, my mind was blown. And that's how I passed music theory, was seeing that there are literally patterns that are being made. So instead of us thinking that math is just a soul by itself, whatever, it's literally telling you, in these conditions, if I continue this way, these are the patterns that I create. And the expressions that we see also leave us to, like, when we see variables and things like that, that's just another way of saying, if we continue this pattern, this is how this is made. So that's why we can reverse our work, because true patterns happen in a certain way. And so when we do it, we understand that that's how that goes. I hope this helps. Love y'all. Bye.